Subhash, many important issues: economy, advocism, education, giving a clean cabinet, tourism policy, and employment. When you are looking at your own government, what do you think are your top priorities, or what should be your agenda, at least for the first 365 days?
Let me thank both the panelists who have contributed a lot and given good suggestions. As far as I do agree with all the points that they have taken up, they have rightly chosen the areas, priority areas which we need to focus on. And if you look at our government, we are in the government for last 10 years, even after such a long period and with different kind of situations and scenarios, we could sustain and we could come out of this if you look at the anti-incumbency, people have initially all the experts they said that the BJP will not come in power again. But even then, the people of Goa has given a good boost and mandate, a good mandate, and we will strive hard to reach out to the people and all those areas with both the panelists have given us. So, we are going in the right direction. We will follow. The first thing that we need to focus on that our human resource, how best we can deploy them and place them in areas or in the industrialization, good policies, good industries, pollution-free environment, giving them the good kind of job to sustain their family. All these kind of roads, electricity, water are the basic amenities that we need to focus on. And if you look at the efforts put in by our government for last 10 years in infrastructure building, such as roads, very wide roads and bridges that had never happened for last 50 years, that were taken up within in another the last 5 years, and we will carry on with this kind of. The tourism policy also needs to be improvised, and we need to see that a good quality tourists visit Goa and they could participate in the economy of the Goa.
So, one thing before I go to Nilesh again, both of them said that you are inheriting lot many issues, and you cannot blame anybody else for that. You have been in power for last 10 years. How are you looking at that point? Because may it be economy, may it be ad hoc policy or advocism in terms of policy making across, you have a real problem. Do you think, and you are the same chief minister continuing, many of the cabinet members might also be the same. What different are we going to see this time?
I have full confidence in my government, and I am confident enough to say that the dynamic chief minister like Dr. Sawant, who has taken the responsibilities of the state when the government was in a critical situation, and even after these cyclones and multiple problems like Corona, COVID, in all this situation, he stood up and he has given a good administration. Looking at that, I do agree that we carry a lot of baggage, and we need to have put in a good administration right now, when we have got a good face and good elected members who have got a credentials and quality ministry we are looking for, which will deliver the best to the Goans.